Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Teacher Gaming page. So for today's lesson, I'll be teaching you how to find the value of x given the perimeter, which is 28. So how are you going to solve this? Alright, so let's now go ahead and solve for the value of x given the perimeter, which is equal to 28. And to do that, remember, perimeter is equal to the sum of all the sides. Okay, so since we are given a quadrilateral here, so we will be adding all the four sides. Okay, so let's just write the sides first. So we have 2x plus 2, and then we have 3x minus 3, then we have x plus 5, and then we have 4x minus 6. So now we will be adding this together. So I'm writing it vertically because it's easier for me to add them together. Okay. So let's combine all the like terms. Let's start from the right side. So 2 minus 3, that's negative 1. Negative 1 plus 5, that's positive 4. And positive 4 minus 6, that's negative 2. Okay. Now let's have the right side. So 2x plus 3x, that's 5x. 5x plus x is 6x. And 6x plus 4x, that is 10x. And in the problem, it says there that the perimeter is 28. And since the sum of all the sides is 10x minus 2, therefore 10x minus 2 is equal to 28. Okay? So now, using this equation, we can find the value of x. So, let's start by isolating the variable x. And to do that, you add 2 on both the sides, okay? And this will be 0. So, what's left is 10x, which is equal to 28 plus 2. That's 30, okay? And divide both the sides by 10. So this is 10 divided by 10, that's 1. And 1 times x is x, equal to 30 divided by 10. And that is 3. So now let's check if our answer is correct. So let's replace the value of x, which is 3, to 10x minus 2 equals 28. So this is how you're gonna do it. So 10 times 3 minus 2. And let's see if it's equal to 28. So 10 times 3, that's 30. 30 minus 2 is 28. Alright. So therefore, x equals 3 is really the correct answer. So now let's check what will be the measurement of each side of the quadrilateral by replacing the x's here in the expression by 3. So this is how. So it's gonna be 2 times 3 plus 2. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2. That's 8. So one side of the quadrilateral is 8. Next, let's have the next side. So it's 3 times 3, that's 9. And then minus 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. So the other side of the quadrilateral is 6. Now let's have 3 plus 5 equals 8. So the other side is also 8. Now let's have 4 times 3, which is 12. And then minus 6, that is 6. So the last side of the quadrilateral is 6 as well. So now let's try to check if we will get 28 if we add them together. So 8 plus 6, that's 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. And 22 plus 6 is 28. Alright, so we also get the sum of all the sides, which is 28. So therefore, our answer is really correct. So, guys, hope you learned something from today's lesson and see you on my next video. But don't forget to follow and like Teacher Gaming page. So once again, have a great day. Bye.